It's perfectly normal that you have an opinion on the market, but don't let your bias get in the way of your trading. Here is how I entered a long trade and made $17,000 profit based on chart while having a bearish bias myself. I had a short bias when the market was under key resistance and VIX was right at the trendline support, so I anticipated VIX would bounce and then the market is going to flush again. But I also know that if the VIX trendline does not hold, the market flips the resistance, the rally is going to continue. And guess what happened? VIX did break its support and Tesla did flip the resistance. So even though I had a bearish bias, I took a long trade in Tesla, bought July 15 800 calls at around $4. Your bias can only be validated or invalidated by price actions. So why would you let your bias dictate your trade? Let price actions guide your trade because the market does not care about what you think. And as usual, we took multiple trims to ensure profit. We trimmed around $6, $8, and $11. So at the end, we locked in well over $17,000 in profit. If I let my bias get in the way instead of price actions, I would have never taken the Tesla trade. So remember, trade what the market is telling you, not what you think the market is going to do. No one can ever predict the market. You shouldn't try to.